Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up Siri on iOS 27. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General and go to Software Update. Make sure your device is updated to the latest version of iOS 27. My iPhone is already running iOS 27, so I'll go back to the main settings page. Now, scroll down and tap Siri. If you've recently updated to iOS 27, you should see the new Join Waitlist option. Tap it to begin the setup process. Next, choose your preferred way to activate Siri, such as Hey Siri or Siri. You can also choose to set it up later if you prefer. To complete the voice setup, you'll be asked to repeat a few sample commands. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. After finishing the voice training, tap Continue. That's it. Siri has now been set up on your device. Once your waitlist request is approved, you'll be able to access and use the latest Siri features available in iOS 27.